counting on the miles ahead, from city streets to open plains, through summer heat and pouring rain. Every journey starts with trust and a partner built to last. When the pressure's on and time is tight, you need somebody by your side. We're built for the miles ahead, keeping your business rolling strong. From the service bay to the highway line, where dependable belongs. Rolling Equity Leasing by your side, day or night we'll see it through. Keeping fleets moving coast to coast, that's what we're built to do. The shop lights glow before first light, hands at work, getting it right. Every inspection, every repair, keeping drivers moving safe. Leasing solutions, service plans built around what business demands, helping fleets grow mile by mile with confidence behind the wheel. 'Cause every load and every route depends on people you can count on. We're built for the miles ahead, keeping your business rolling strong. From the service bay to the highway line, where dependable belongs. Rolling Equity Leasing by your side, day or night we'll see it through. Keeping fleets moving coast to coast, that's what we're built to do. Every mile tells a story, every road leads somewhere new. Rolling Equity Leasing stands beside you, helping businesses see it through. From the first truck to a growing fleet, from one route to nationwide, built on trust and proven service, we're proud to ride beside. We're built for the miles ahead, standing strong through every turn, with dependable leasing and service support, trust that's earned and earned. Rolling Equity Leasing leads the way, that's the promise we hold true. Keeping America moving forward, every mile with you.